Today, today here we'd like to introduce our hottest HIFU machine to you.
Yes, you know now the HIFU machine is very popular in many salons and clinics because you know the HIFU machine is a very basic treatment for many younger people or the older person to do the anti-aging or the skin tightening, wrinkle removal, also do the body slimming. Yeah, I learned that Shelly usually go to the salon before. So have you checked the HIFU machine in some other salons before?
Yes, of course. As we all know, HIFU is the classic treatment in many salons, and we also do the treatment for my own face, and we can check that the result is really amazing and really obvious. And today, I think many salons and spas also lack such a machine. So here we introduce this machine to you. As we all know that many salons and spas have different treatment items like Villa shape, and fat freezing machine for body slimming, hair removal,
very popular and very effective for the body fat loss, and the many body slimming or the body shaping. And usually many salons will use the cryo machine or the Villa shape machine. Yes. Also the now very popular EM sculpt machine. Yes. Have you ever learned the EM sculpt machine before? It really very super hot in the salons. So EM sculpt machine is mainly for the body treatment, but you know the HIFU machine, all HIFU machines is very effective for the face or the neck for the face treatment, also or the facial, and because many customers will combine the HIFU treatment with the hydrofacial treatment because they are a very good choice for you to do the treatment for the customers. And
you can also combine these two types of machines together and suggest to your customers. I think combine the HIFU machine and hydrofacial treatment together can also give your customers a better result, because we all know that when done the HIFU treatment maybe is a little dry for our face, and when we do the hydrofacial, it can let our skin feel more young and more tightening.
Yes, Shelly just asked me if I want to open a salon, what kind of items or the machines I want to add at the first time. Yes, usually at the first time I must choose the HIFU machine for my first machine, because HIFU is very effective and useful for the face treatment. Many customers, younger or the older person, prefer want to keep a beauty tightening skin to the face, because if your skin more tightening, you are look very younger. So that will make us more beautiful and keep very younger. And yes, so HIFU is the best choice. Also, the hydrofacial machine, like Shelly just noticed. Also, I will choose these two as the first treatment, but maybe in the later I will add more body treatment.
Like Villa shape.
Yes, Villa shape is very popular, and the EM sculpt machine, also the Delta laser machine, because now summer is almost coming. It's very nice to add a Delta laser machine to do the hair.
You can see my hair now is grow, and I want to wear
summer
beautiful dress.
Yeah, summer also is a very nice nice season for to do the holiday. So you will wear the bikini, and show my body is very slimming. I want to show a very beautiful shape for my other customers. So maybe I will add other treatment in the later time. So for this moment, I just want to add the HIFU treatment, because the HIFU treatment is very basic treatment, and in the following time I will let the Shelly show you guys how HIFU works, and you can show our customer how does the HIFU works for the treatment.
Yes, of course. As we all know that HIFU is a very classic treatment for many salons, high-intensity focused ultrasound, and the first beginning machine is this type. This is also the first generation for the HIFU treatment. You can see the treatment for this cartridge is very small treatment area, and
very short.
yes, and each time it can shoot one line to our face. But according to market need and our customers recommend, now we have updated the HIFU machine to the 3D HIFU and the 4D HIFU. And for these two type HIFU machines, it can also shoot evenly and save your time to welcome more customers and earn much profit. And here, please let our Rachel to introduce the 3D HIFU machine to.
Okay, no problem. And for the first, the very basic treatment of the HIFU machine is the ultrasound, the HIFU. It is a one-line HIFU treatment. The cartridge is very short, and also the treatment short. The short means the life of the one cartridge, and this one just have 10,000 treatment shots. It's very short. It's very less than others. And for this machine, it will come with 5 different cartridges, and to do the face, neck, also the body together. And later we upgrade for the 3D HIFU machine. The 3D HIFU machine is very nice, the interface. You can see it's a colorful interface to do the treatment. And also this machine comes with 3 different cartridges. One is the, you can see one is the 3mm cartridge for the face treatment. And the second is the 4.5mm also for the face and the neck treatment. If you want to do the chest, also you can use this one for the chest tightening. And also there is another 8mm cartridge for the body slimming. Also you can do the leg, the belly, also the arm for the skin tightening and the fat loss. And for the machine, for this interface, you can see there are 2 options. 2 modes. For this one is the professional mode. Professional mode means the guide mode. The guide mode is very easy for you to do the treatment. Yes, and if I show the professional mode, maybe some customers will ask, maybe I think it's very complex for you to use the machine. I don't know how to operate it because it's my first time to use it. And can you give me some training of the machine? Yes, dear, of course. And because many customers is the first time to use HIFU machine. They don't have any experience, so they don't know how to operate. We will provide you the training, so no need to worry about that. First, this machine has the professional mode and the guide mode. The guide mode means the guide. It can show you how to do the treatment. Here, you can choose the different treatment areas, like the face, back, also neck. You can do the many areas on your body, or also the face. And if we choose the face treatment, and here we can choose the enter. Also, for this interface, you need to suggest the voice. The voice is the treatment area of the cartridge. 3D HIFU cartridge is the advantage is it has 11 lines for the treatment. It has a much bigger treatment area than the basic one. You can see this one is a very large treatment area than this one. This is very very small. So this one can save you more treatment time and can give you more bookings, customers for one day. And for this one, the cartridge has more life than the basic one. This one has the 26,500 for you to use, and then you can use for a longer time to treat many customers and make more profit for your salon. And here for the interface, you can choose the voice. What is the area of the voice, also the length, the clearance here, also the pitch. The best important is the power. the power is very, very important because the clean of your salon will feeling. How does it feel according to your power? How much you set. Usually, we suggest you do the treatment if for the first clean. For the first treatment, you need to set the 0.6 draw for the first treatment. Yes, and in the following time, I will let Shelly tell you how to do the treatment and what is the treatment sessions, the treatment interval, and so that you can use the HIFU machine very well. And the machine interface is very easy. You can see and very simple. Here is the cartridge, the 3.0 millimeter, which is the how much cartridge you use on this one. It's matched with the interface. And here is the use line. Is how many shots you use. It's how many lines you use. And this is the total line. This is 26,100 total shots of this one cartridges, and it has 3 cartridges for the machine, come with the machine, and also this machine. If you wanna other cartridges for the different areas to get a better results, it also have five option cartridges for your selection. You can do the more areas on your body, also the face. And for the professional mode, it's very easy, also very easy for you to choose. Usually this mode is for some professional beautician, the doctors to use. And this is the cartridge, the treatment area. And for the professional mode, don't have the areas for your selection, for you choose. Just the parameters you need to set, the width, the length, of the clearance, also the pitch. The best important is the power here from the 0.6 draw, and this is how does HIFU works when you use this one. When you use the handle on the customer's skin, and here also the cartridge, which one you used on the handle. Here is the use line, total line, and for the professional mode, it's very convenient for you to choose the customer status. You can see here, you can see 5 different customer status. For the M1, M2, M3, M4, and M5, there are 5 modes for you to choose the customer status. If for example, Shelly come to my salon for the first treatment, I set the width for 10, for the length is the 20, and the clearance is 1.5 millimeter, and the pitch is 1. Also for the power, I set for the first treatment, like I suggested before, for the 0.6 gel, and then I need to save it. When Shelly come to the second treatment to my salon for the HIFU treatment, I will just choose the M1. I don't need to suggest the data to set the 10 for Shelly, and maybe for the 8 for the Rachel, and another 20 this one, the different parameters for the different customers. I just can save here. It's very convenient for you to save here. I just need to save it and choose it to start the treatment. Also here you can see this one is the start button. When you set is the treatment parameters well, just start the treatment. On the handle there is a button to start the treatment. When you start, then you will hear the cartridges working like this, and you will feel it's very warm on the skin to do the treatment. Okay, and the Sunny HIFU 3D HIFU is very nice machine for you to choose and very convenient. And later, the 3D HIFU machine also very popular. And later we have the 4D HIFU machine. And I will let the Shelly show you how does the 4D HIFU machine works. Hello, Shelly. Please show our customers how does the 4D HIFU machine works.
Okay, no problem. And thank you so much for Rachel to introduce us the 3D HIFU machine. We also have many customers ask us what's the difference of your 3D HIFU machine and your 4D HIFU machine. To be honest, you can say the treatment cartridge, this is the 4D cartridge, and this is the 3D cartridge. You can see there is no much different for the cartridge. And yes, that's no much different for this cartridge. But for the 4D HIFU machine, there is another special cartridge is this one. You can say for the 4D machine, it has two handles. One is this 4D handle, and the other is this VMAX handle. The 4D handle is similar with the 3D HIFU machine. The special is this VMAX handle, and you can say the treatment area is very small, and it likes a circle here. So you can use this cartridge to do the treatment for our small treatment area, like our forehand, this part, like our near nose, and the near mouth and under eyes. Like this treatment area is very sensitive, so we use this cartridge can also give our customers more comfortable feeling. The screen of this 4D HIFU machine and the different cartridge for the handle. First is for this 4D handle. The standard cartridge for this 4D handle, it has two sides. One is 3 mm and the other is 4.5 mm. And each capacity for the 4D cartridge, it has 20,000. You can, for each treatment, generally we will use 200 to 300 shoes. So for such a cartridge, you can do the treatment almost for 60 customers is no problem. You can also calculate how much profit can one cartridge bring you. And this because 3 mm and 4.5 mm is mainly for our face and neck. If you also want to use a HIFU machine to do the treatment for our body, here I also suggest you can add the extra 8 mm and 17 and 13 mm. We also have different sizes of the cartridges for your selective to buy. And for this VMAX handle, it has 3 standard cartridges. One is 1.5 mm and the other two is 3 mm and 4.5 mm. The capacity for this cartridge is 62,000. It can use for quite a long time. And now please let us enter the screen. You can see on the screen there are two parts. This part is for this 4D handle, and this part is for this VMAX handle. We can choose it, then we can enter. And you can see for the screen, here we depart it into 4 parts. I can introduce it to you one by one. First, you can choose the treatment shoes. What shows here, what will shoot from the middle part of the black. Here we can choose the width, clearance, length, and pitch. Here I can also give you a suggestion about the parameter we choose. For the lines, I suggest you can choose 25 mm is okay. And the clearance, what I suggest is 1.5 mm to 1.8 mm. That's the usually our customers use. As for the width, you can see when I choose different parameter, it will show how many lines of the shoot it will be. Here I suggest you can choose 10 mm. And for the pitch here, it shows the pitch of 2 shoes. I suggest here you can use 1.5 to 1.8. like this. And for the power, it's 0.1 gel to 2 gel. For our customers, the first treatment I suggest you can use a lower energy, and you can ask your customer's feeling during the treatment. If she or he can afford more, then you can also earn more. I suggest you can use 0.5 gel at the beginning. And generally, our customers can afford the energy 1.2 gel. From this part, it shows the date of our cartridge. You can say, now the link is 3 millimeter. And what show here is 3 millimeter. And this two part, it shows the cartridge now is linked well to the handle. The use line shows how many shoes we can use for this cartridge, and the total line shows the capacity of the cartridge. From this part, the patient total, it shows how many lines we use for this treatment. You can see it very clear. And this part, the save function is like what the 3D HIFU do, and Rachel have just show it to you. You can choose it to choose the treatment area, the shoes directly. Very easy. And for this part, it shows the fast mode and slow mode, which shows the speed of the treatment. If you choose the fast mode, the speed of the shoot will be fast, and if you choose slow mode, the speed of the treatment will also be slow. Here I suggest our customers can choose slow mode at the beginning is okay. And if you are very familiar with this machine and want to save your time, then you can use fast mode. And for this part, it shows on our face which part we can do the treatment and which part is forbidden. And later, I can also do the treatment for Rachel and can show you directly on her face. This is for the 40 handle. We can turn back. And this is another mode for this machine, is for this VMAX handle. Just touch, we can enter. Yes, you can say if the handle don't link well, it won't show here. But now when it link well, the link now is 3 millimeter, and what will also show on the screen. Now the link cartridge is 3 millimeter. Here shows the capacity for this cartridge is 62,000 shoes. And you can see this part, the total shows the how many left for this cartridge. When it's around 100, maybe you can contact us and buy extra cartridge. From here, the currency, it shows how many shoes you use for this treatment. From here, it shows the energy. I suggest you can use 3 gel to 5 gel. Okay. And here shows the frequency. Frequency means the speed of the shoot. Also suggest you can use 3 Hz to 5 Hz. It's quite easy to use this machine. And that's the introduce for this 3D HIFU and the 4D HIFU machine. Hey Rachel, if you open a salon, I want to ask which type of HIFU machine will you buy?
Yeah, actually, if I wanna open a salon, the 40 HIFU machine may be a best choice for me to open to add at the first time, because I really like the two handles combined together, and I can use this big one for the face, the neck, and also the body. And usually, as Sally said before, the face has many sensitive areas, so this one is very helpful and very effective to do some around the eyes, the nose around, also mouth around, to get a better results. Yeah, this one is really a best choice for me to add if I have a salon.
Yes, and for the 4D HIFU machine now is quite popular, especially in European market, in America and Australia. These countries, 4D is now quite popular. But we also have many customers prefer the colorful screen, then they will choose 3D HIFU. Or now we also update one new 2-in-1 3D HIFU machine with colorful screen and welcome by many of our customers.
Yes, yes, I just got several customers ordered the 3D HIFU machine from mine. So maybe I will show my customers how to use the 3D HIFU machine well, and let Shelly be my beautician and to treat my face, and show you guys how to do the treatment on the face, the neck, also my body, and how to draw the line, what is the step by step to do the face treatment and get a better results. And yes, usually many customers, because it's the first time to use it, so maybe worried about the training. Yes, I just noticed, and I just noticed before the training, we will. First, the machine is very easy to operate, and then we will provide you the very detailed instructions, the user manual for you, and also we have a video guidance. But if you don't think this is very helpful to show you how to use it well, we can do an online training for you. Like this, we can do a video call and show the machine face to face and online, and how to use it. What is the first step? What is the next step? Yes, so show you how to use it well. And also, many customers will ask what is the warranty. You can tell the customers what is the warranty of all our machines, not only the HIFU machines, but it's almost the same, the warranty of our machines.
Yes, and this question, most of our customers will ask how many years warranty you will provide for your machines. Here I can answer for you that for the 4D and 3D HIFU, even other vertical and portable machines in our company, here we provide 3-year warranty to the whole machine and the 6 months warranty for the handle.
But and the parts of the accessories.
Yes, before shipping, here we also will send you the test video to ensure the quality of the machine first. And when you receive the machine, just need to check if the package and the machine is well. Here we'd like to provide the user manual and the training video. If you have any other questions, we can also have like this online one-to-one online training video to you.
Yes, because when you are available, you can call us. Also, you can ask us when can do the training for you. If we are available and what time you are available, we can show you. Let Shelly and or our beautician, other beauticians to show you how to use our machines very well. Because you know, HIFU machine is not a very suitable for all the people, because there are many forbidden treatment areas on the face. Also, the forbidden treatment groups. So you can tell what is the forbidden treatment areas on the face, also the body, which part is forbidden treatment, so that our customers can learn it well.
Yes, here I can introduce how to do the treatment for HIFU machine. And for the today, we'd like to use 3D HIFU machine as a model and to introduce how to do the treatment and to have a better result. We can use 3D HIFU as a model, and the first I can introduce how to choose a suitable date. Like we can choose the guide mode and choose the treatment area is our face, and then we can enter. You can say for the 3D HIFU machine, it show very clear that on the screen it shows the blue part we can do the treatment, but the pink part is forbidden. I can also show you later on Rachel's face, and here show you how to choose a suitable date first. The lines we choose 25 millimeter.
Yes, so this part of the blue one is the forbidden treatment, and it's okay to treat, and for the pink area is forbidden to treat.
Yes.
Okay, got it.
Yes, the blue part you can do the treatment, but the pink part is very sensitive. You can say it mainly for our middle of our face, so it's forbidden area. For the data, here I can introduce how to choose a suitable one. For the width, I suggest you can choose 8 mm to 10 mm. For the length, here we suggest you can choose 25 mm. And for the clearance,
From 1.
yes, here I suggest you can choose 1 mm to 1.5 mm.
Okay.
For the pitch, here also suggest you can choose from 1 mm to 1.5 mm.
Okay, same like the clearance from the 1 to the 1.5 millimeter for the first treatment.
Yes, and for the power, if your customers is the first treatment, I suggest you can use a lower energy, like 0.5 gel, and you can ask her feeling during the treatment. If she can feel more, then you can also add more.
Yes, because many customers, the skin is very sensitive, so you can set a lower power for the first treatment, like the 0.5 gel for the first treatment. Okay.
Yes, and now we can let our Rachel to be my customer, and I can do the treatment on her face to show you how to join lines on her face and how to get a better result. Hello everyone, here show you how to do the treatment for our HIFU machine. First, I can introduce how to do the treatment for our face and our neck. First, I can introduce because there is some area is forbidden, like the middle part of our face. Here is forbidden. This part is forbidden, and here is forbidden. The middle part of our body is very sensitive, and the temple here is also forbidden. I can show you how to join lines on our face. And when we do the treatment near our mouth, we need to leave 1 finger distance here. And you can say this is the cartridge. Not all the black part can make shoot. Only you can see here is a mark, and there is also a mark. So the middle of the mark on the black treatment area, it can shoot shoes. And we can also use the mark here to join lines. Generally, we will divide our face into 3 parts. Use this mark here. The first line, and second line, and then the third line. You can say I draw 3 lines here and divide the treatment area into 3 parts. 不画吧. And you can also see the mark here. We can use this mark to divide the treatment area into more small parts. Use the mark here to divide it into small part. Like this. Then you can say, I divide the treatment area into different parts. You can feel on our face there is a bone. There is a bone. When do the treatment for this area, I suggest you can use a sliding way. And doing like this can also feel painless. And when do the treatment for our face, I suggest you can use 3 mm at the first time, and you can use 4.5 mm the first time, and then you can use 3 mm. And for doing the treatment, here I need to notice you that you need to put the ultrasound gel to the treatment area first. For the ultrasound gel, I suggest this type is okay, and you can buy it in your local beauty shop, or you can also find it in your online shop. It's quite easy to find it. And today, because I just show you how to do the treatment and not a real to shoot, because she is very young and she just do the HIFU treatment before. It's not suitable to do it now. So just to show you how to do the treatment. Please remind you need, when you join lines, and then you need to put the ultrasound gel first to the treatment area. And then you can use 4.5 millimeter. This cartridge, 4.5 millimeter, to do the first treatment. Here I suggest for the treatment, you can do like the horizontal way first. You can leave the cartridge here and choose start on the screen and choose the button on the handle and do the treatment. And when it should stop, then you can move to the other treatment area, like also the horizontal way. And then the third treatment area. This is the first time. And when you finish the horizontal way, you can use the cartridge in a vertical way, like this. And when it finishes, move to the second part. And then move to the third part. And this, the third time, you can use the cartridge to do a sliding way like this, sliding way. And here notice, when you do the treatment, because we have two hands, you can use the right hand to do the treatment, can also use our left hand to help lift the skin. And it can also help us to have a better result. Do like this from the middle part to near ear, and you can left to your neck like this. Do like from the middle to the near ear, do a lifting way. It can also help us to lift our skin like this to do the treatment. Here notice one more time, you can do like the horizontal way like this the first time, and then do the treatment like the vertical way. And then you can use the lifting way. The same to the other treatment area is same. And when you do the treatment for our face, you can use, because the first we use is 4.5 millimeter, then you can use 3 millimeter to do the second treatment for our face to have a better result. Of course, if you also have 1.5 millimeter, you can also use that type. And if the wrinkles, like near our nose, this part, near mouth, or near our eyes, this part is very sensitive, is very serious, you can also do the treatment more times, like do the treatment more times in a sliding way. And it can also help you to have a better result. That's the treatment for our face. And we can also do the treatment for our neck. And here I can show you how to draw lines for our neck. First, please notice that the middle part of our neck is forbidden. This part, we can also draw lines here. You can't do the treatment for this area. But for double chin, this part you can do the treatment. Double chin is okay. And the same for the draw lines on our face. You can use the mark here to divide it into two parts. And then use the mark here to divide it into different treatment area. Like this. Then you can say we divide the treatment area into different parts. And for the neck, I also suggest you can use 4.5 millimeter at the first. You can do in the horizontal way first, when it stops, and enter the next part. And then the third part in a horizontal way. And then you can do the treatment in a vertical way like this. When it stops, the second part, and then the third part. When you do horizontal way and vertical way, then you can do the sliding way to help the treatment more obvious and have a better result. Like this. And if the tissue of the wrinkle is serious, you can also do the treatment more times. And then enter the other part. And for this part, many of our customers think the treatment area and the wrinkle here is very much. You can also do the treatment for this part, because for double chin, you can also do the treatment. It's the same with the neck and our face, just to do the treatment is okay. We can join lines with the mark here.
就这里划着这里不要垫脚趾，你这有骨头。我这叫衬，不叫大抱衬，谢谢。
Because you can feel that the bone here is very obvious, and when the treatment near bone, it might be a little painful, but it's affordable. So I suggest when you do the treatment near bone, you can do the sliding way, it's okay. Don't do the stop treatment, just do the sliding way. Like this. And if you think this part is very serious, you can also do the treatment more times.
不做身体吧。不做身体。
Just like this is okay. And that's the treatment for HIFU machine. Here I just show you how to join lines and how to do the treatment. If you have any questions, can also contact us. When you done the treatment for HIFU, maybe there is a little dry for our face. So here we also suggest you can drink more water and add more water to our face.
Yeah, also the mask, facial
Yes.
mask is very important. You can put the mask after the HIFU treatment. After the HIFU treatment, you can put the facial mask to
Yes.
do the HIFU.
When done the treatment, because it's a little dry for our face, so here you can also wear a water mask for our face and to help our face to drink more water. If you like, you can also do the treatment for hydrofacial, and there is the tool to help you to add water to our face. It's very comfortable.
Okay.
And today the live show is end. If you have any other questions, welcome to contact us. Bye.
Bye.
Hello guys, welcome to Nuanji Group. This is Heidi from Nuanji, and today we want to reintroduction the very welcomed model of the ImScout machine. Why it's very welcomed? Because it can do the fat burning and muscle building together, and this is very popular in the market, especially in USA, Australia, and the Europe market. And this is our popular model. You can see this is very professional, and about the machine shell is used the metal material. You can hear the voice is very strong and not easy to break. And also we have the two handles that can work together. Okay, now I will open the machine. We can see here have the logo. We can do the OEM brand for you, help you to promote your brand. This is interface. We know how many new users of the ImScout machine, and but they really want to enjoy this treatment. So we set the auto mode and the manual mode. About the manual mode, how the many parameters to set it. About the sect and the treatment arrows and the age, so it is very convenient for you. And when we set the, we can according to your client's situation to set it. When we choose the parameters, it can directly to work it, because it is very intelligent to help you to operate. So it is very easy and convenient for you. About the two working handles, it can to work together. So we can directly to start it to work. It's okay. Now the machine is working now, and also this machine has 3 work modes. You can hear this voice is different than the last voice. And also about the ImSculpt machine, it's very easy to do the treatment because each treatment only 30 minutes, and that can do the twice a week. Sometimes our customers can have the results about 4 to 6 sessions. That also means about 1 month you can see the clear result. But sometimes our customers want to get the better result. They will to keep 2 or 3 sessions to get the better result. And also this is the auto mode. It is very easy and convenient to operate. And also we have the manual mode. This mode is for the if you use the ImSculpt machine many times and you want to you already have the experience, you can directly to choose the manual mode. We can see the manual mode has the 3 mode for the F1, F2, and F3. That is the frequency for the different energy. For the F1 is like we do the exercise, the warm out the process, and it is very slow and help our muscle to do the exercise. For the F2 is the highly intensity exercise to do the muscle sorry， 它这个是 muscle warm out 是吧 ？warm out。F2 is the warm out, like we do the like we doing the exercise that need the long time to do exercise. But this F2 model can help you to easy to do it. For the F3 is like we finish the exercise, we need to the rest of the muscle strength to make our muscle to easy relax. So this is very intelligent and help our whole body to get the better good shape. So that is also why is many customers like this model and like this model's feeling. What's more, our machine has another side for the languages. We know we have many customers from the whole world, like the Spanish and the Germany and the many countries. So we set the different languages here. You can choose it and easy and convenient for your work and for your client to do the treatment. Okay, so this machine is very popular, and by the way, you can see here is our word, and here is the beauty muscle. I know how many distributors and resell business in the market and want to sell this model because this is really portable item. So we also, as the factory, we also provide the swipes for the OEM's brand for you, for your distributor business, and help you to catch this trend to earn the more money and to sell your market, to be the trender and enter your market. So why this machine is so welcomed? We also said that this is the fat burning and muscle building together. So why we said this because we so that this machine many size about around already 800 size. So it is the trend in the market, and also we received many customers' feedback about the result and the machine good good feedback. Now I will show you about our customers' feedback of the treatment result to show you how effective of the ImSculpt machine treatment. You can see this is our USA client provide the real feedback. You can see this is a woman and treatment ImSculpt for their abdomen. So it is very clear and amazing result. My clients provide the feedback to me. He's very excited. So you can see clear, and about the abdomen is reduced more than 7 cm, and also this client gets the perfect good shape. And this is for woman result, and we also have the man result for the ImSculpt treatment. You can say this is a man, and also is a USA client feedback. I think many customers want to get the perfect result of the six-pack and the lip height. So this is for men, the six-pack. That also is clear. And what's more, this is the one treatment result. It is very clear, and they really like this treatment, and they feeling the ImSculpt machine is very good work. We have many customers provide their feedback of the ImSculpt machine because they really like it, and it is really the machine popular. And I also have the USA clients feedback that many customers want this treatment and very crazy. So this is the profitable item in the market. So I think if you add it for your beauty clinic, salon, or spa, that can help you attract many clients and the money for you. And by the way, it not only for the single treatment, it also can do the package-wise for your beauty salon and spa, because we know ImSculpt machine is for the body treatment. So if you have the quality polysize or the well shape, and also some small beauty salon has the RF cavitation as vacuum massage, you also can combine with the ImSculpt machines that can help your client to do the package swipes that can help your client to get the better result. And also, if you combine the ImSculpt with other body treatment swipes, also can increase your clinic salon the charge cost and help you to earn more money. So if you are interested in this model, you can click our product details or the clinic to our Nuanji group shop to find the suitable model for you. And also, this is a very popular two handles vertical big one ImSculpt machine. Since some customers feedback, we also did the many upgrades of the ImSculpt from the portable to the vertical, and from the two handles for the four handles. Also, we did the upgrades from water cooling to the air cooling system. That is the very best. We wanted to do the best machine in the market. So for the four handles machine is our new model and the latest model in the market. We also the first one to produce that model. Now I will show you the four handles machine of the ImSculpt machine that can help you to the more treatment areas. And here is the four handles of the ImSculpt machine. We can say that it's a Pro Max. We know Pro Max is the latest and the very power and the very popular. And our many customers want to the best machine in the market. So we produced the Pro Max ImScout machine here, and it has totally 4 handles, but we also add the special seat handle for the pelvic floor repair handle to help many customers to add the more survives. About the totally 4 handles have the 2 big handles and the 2 smaller handles. The two smaller handles can do the arms and the legs. For the separate areas can do the better result. By the way, the 4 handles can do 2 or 4 handles work together at the same time. That also can help you save the time and to do the treatment for many customers together. Help you to help if you are beauty salon or spa have many clients. This machine can help you save the time. Also, this machine we upgraded the frequency max to 120 frequency. That is the higher frequency. But we know in the market how many suppliers side 115 frequencies or the more 200 hertz. I think this is make many customers confused. But as we know, for the human body, we need to the suitable hertz, not the more higher is better. So we also did the upgrade, and the people can standard it. So it is very safe and help your machine to work a long time. Okay, for the another advantage of this model, we also did the water cooling system to the air cooling system. Many customers will want to ask what is the difference. We know the air cooling is not to add the water, and it is the better cooling system in the market. So we also did this upgrade to you. So this model is very popular and very welcomed in your market. Until now, we already have the many customers book it, and also have the customers already resell this model. So and they feedback this model looks great and very like it, very love it. So now it's a March festival promotion activity here. So if you have any idea want to add the new body treatment machine, or the want to add the new survives for your beauty salon, clinic, or the spa, the ImSculpt is the good choice and help you to get the more clients and the money faster. So if you have any plan or any interested, can clinic our Nuanji Group shop and to contact us. We will have the professional sellers to help you to know it and provide more information and the price list, and also the March Festival promotion activity, amazing price for you.
Okay, next is skincare machine, because now entering summer, many customers are paying more attention on their skin situation, such as blackhead remove and skin rejuvenation. So now it's a very good chance to supply the hydrofacial machine for them. So if you have a beauty salon or spas, this machine will be a good option and a business chance for you. So now we have a brand new 9-in-1 hydrofacial machine for you. Now I will introduce the machine for you. First, we open the machine. This is the start screen interface. Okay, now we can see the 9 work handles one by one. From here, the biggest one is the oxygen head. It has 9 colors for the skincare.
I believe all of you have ever seen the seven color in one LED light therapy. So this is the same principle. It can do for the skin pigmentation remove, for the skin care, something like this. Besides, for this head, it has also a SD card we can insert in the back side of the machine. So you can give your customers more relaxed experience when they come for the treatment, because it in the SD card we can input some music. Imagine when your customers are doing the treatment for the skin care and the skin deep cleaning, they can lie down and listen to the music. It's a very relaxed treatment and experience. So this is this workout. And then you can see here are another 9 work candles. Let's introduce to you one by one. First, all of us know that the first step of the skin care is the deep skin cleaning. So we have the hydrofacial workout. You can see this head. Usually, before we use this workout, we can ask the customer to apply a skin deep cleaning mask, and then soften the deep skin blackheads or the workheads. Then we can use this one to suck out. This is the start button, or we can press here on the screen. You can see. You can see. Okay, you can see this workout is very strong, not like the portable machine. This one is has very strong suction power. You can see my head now, it's a little redness. So for this one, usually we do the treatment for the T-zone and the U-zone to do the deep skin cleaning. This is the first skin clean workout, and the second one is also for skin deep cleaning. This is an ultrasonic scraper. Usually we use this one to do the check for this part and the forehead. It's not like the hydrofacial. This one is usually used for big areas such as the cheek. Yes, and then I show you how to do the treatment. Okay, now we first click the start button. You can see the operation method is like this. Usually for the face treatment, we start from the lower part. Yes, from the lower part to the upper part of our face in a lifting way. All the face treatment is in such a lifting way, from the lower to the upper part. Yes, and this workout is very intelligent because facial workout.